Welcome back. We're continuing the news. To a story now of how an act of kindness left one family homeless. The Turner family is reaching out to the public for help to rebuild after they lost their home in a fiery betrayal. Sandy Williams has their story.
I just miss my house, my brother things, my shoes, my toys, my TV, and my bed.
It has been 11 long days filled with heartache for the Turner family. Its youngest member, 4-year-old Tejon Turner, longs for the comfort of his world, the joy of his toys, the familiar glow of his TV, and the soft embrace of his bed, all now just a distant memory. In an unexpected twist of fate, what began as an act of kindness has left the family without a home. It all started with a simple phone call. A friend contacted Terrell Turner for assistance. Mr. Turner agreed to host the friend at the house he shared with his family, but they were not prepared for what would unfold on September 16. That fateful morning, the family expressed to the friend that they could no longer accommodate him.
Start to talk loud and hungry, and I say, "Where my knife?" You see my knife? I say, "What knife are you talking about?" Him rush back out. I rush to the kitchen to look if I see the knives. There was no knife in the kitchen, so I start afraid for my life now. So I rush back to my room, or put on my clothes, my wedding band and my watch was on the table. I rush out, leave them. So when I rush out and so forth, I go outside. I lock my room door, lock my wife's stepfather room door, drop this door right here, and say, "All right, you need to leave here." I go down to the gate, take a cab to half a tree. When I reach half a tree, I call him back and ask him if he leave yet. He said that he might do.
Shortly after, he got a phone call alerting him that his 3-bedroom house was engulfed in flames.
I get the cars of the house I burn down, like, I get weak in my knees. I drop the bag when I have the sneakers, and run off. When I run off, I run go to a friend, ask him if he can carry me up. He was like, "You mean a shock him could understand?" So I run off to somebody else, and them say, "Oh, come in, jump in, I'm van." And him carry me, come up here. And the way you're coming up, I just try to find out where my son is. If my son alright, and somebody say, "Yeah, I have him alright."
The so-called friend is in police custody. While the family was unharmed, the emotional and mental toll of losing their home has been profound. Nothing was saved. All that remains of their life is a scorched foundation and a few fragments of memories, charred remnants of wall photos, few sheets of zinc, and the soot-covered place they thought they'd never leave.
As you can see, cleanup has already begun, but it will take some time for the family to repair the house. Now the family has been displaced for now, staying with a relative while they assess the full extent of the damage before they can start planning repairs.
The community has done a lot, you understand? As I say, the community is not where I'm from, but it's like I'm from here. Basically, how them treat me, how them deal with me, how them welcoming, and them come and them help. Every day I step outside at the gate, a man say me, ask me, "Good, you want to help with nothing? What up if you do?" Whichever. So the community have given me a whole heap of strength.
Despite the community effort, more support is still needed. It's why the Turners have set up a GoFundMe page at Snowy Restore Home and Furniture Lost in Fire. To assist the family, you may also contact 876-535-1515. The incident is a lesson learned for Mr. Turner. However, he says it's not enough to deter his kindness.
I'm not going to make it stop from saying I help, but not helping someone I have at my home again. I'm not going to do that again.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.